Hey friends, if you wish to open XPS files on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. So we have an XPS file here. If you right click on it and select open with, yes, you can open it with the XPS viewer, which is an inbuilt viewer for XPS files, or use a third-party application. But you can definitely not open it with any other text editor application like Microsoft Word. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select optional features. Wait for the list to load. Okay, scroll down and check if you have the XPS viewer here. If yes, then you can open it. But let's assume that you didn't have it, and for the sake of this example, I removed it. So in that case, you would have to click on view features, type XPS, select this editor, and then click on next and click on add. In my opinion, the inbuilt XPS viewer is more than sufficient to open XPS files, and you do not need to download a separate XPS viewer. But if you wish to do that, we have a lot of options available on the Microsoft Store. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.